really humbled to be here. Nesimi okubeera wano.
Oh,
yeah.
That's nice. So basically, amanya gwa matufu.
Manya matufu Essie Mulungi. Esther Mulungi. So from Esther, Essie.
Oh. Esther Mulungi.
Yes.
In fact, tuinayo ba Mulungi. Naye ba R. CL.
Mine is L. Sorry, yeah, mine is L.
Abafe ba R.
Yange L.
Oh, that's nice. Ovawa.
Esther Mulungi ava Kampala, mchala muyimbi. Jebanzala, nira banzala Kampala. Ntebe Road.
Oli muna kibuga. Awo.
Yeah, I'm a Ntebe born girl. Naye nga ndi mchala Muganda Munyoli. My mom is a Mnyoro, my father is a Muganda. So, yeah.
Do you understand Runyoro a little bit?
Not really.
Sure.
I'm too much grown up in the city, and I know Luganda a lot.
Have you ever been to Hoima?
No, I think once, but I was young, really. Yeah, I was really young. Yeah.
That's nice. Aya ne ayes mulungi rwo twine omwabazi yegu no mushongozi kandi okoreye byeshongoro binji amnyonga. And we're going to talk about a little bit of your journey.
Yeah, okay.
Musically. When did you start singing?
Professionally, it is 9 months now.
9 months?
Yeah.
You're still young.
Yeah, but I started singing way back in school, from senior 1 to form 6 in Kampala, in my school as the choir leader.
Oh.
Yeah. Then after, when I joined campus, I backed up there and there in studios. Yeah.
What you muyimbi omunene gwe backing like gwetumanyi?
Yeah, I once backed Chris Evans.
Okay.
I once
backed... eddoboozi lyolina linnyo nga bana abayimba bakola
raga.
Raga.
Yeah, I don't actually, in my music journey, I don't have that raga dancehall thing. I move into Zuku, R&B, Afro band.
Zuku ye mune gundi ayimba Chris Evans.
Yeah. He does Zuku, he does Afro band, he does, as long as it's not raga dancehall, he doesn't do that. Yeah. But I've backed artists bali eyo nga tembamanyi nga they're in Kampala.
Bo baba kiba kitetubamanyi.
I don't know. I can't really say why. I can't really say why, but that is how my journey of music.
So far, how is your journey? Is it going on so well?
You know TikTok, right?
Yeah, sure.
I'm a TikToker.
Oh.
And I got my management through TikTok. Yeah, through talent searches and whatever. So because I got management before I entered music, my music journey is so far smooth.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't have a lot of challenges because I have people who look after me. I have people who look after these interviews, people who know how to do this project, people who know how to do a video shoot and have to look like that. So it is not so really a struggle for me.
I may say you're lucky enough.
Yeah.
Abantu abangi bakoze music naye nga tebafuna management.
Yeah.
And for it was so easy for you.
Actually,
to get a management even before you started singing.
It wasn't easy because I put in data once. I've been on TikTok talent searches. My first TikTok talent search, I got an award.
Oh,
I have it in my house.
Sure.
Yes, I got it on my phone, and surprisingly, I wasn't in the country, but it had to wait for me. I come and pick it. So I got money and an award. So I continued doing the talent searches. So that is the struggle I put in. Ganyimba, you know, singing on live, olina kuvuma, they abuse you whatever they want. But because I swallowed all that and I did the best, my manager phoned me on TikTok and said, why not? Why can't I sign this talent?
Manager ya kumanaging kubanga oli oyimba bulungi oba yaraba omwana nagamba lwaki simumanaging ono omwana.
Actually, he organized the vocal podium. I think people in Barara, you've heard about vocal podium. He organized something called vocal podium. I was on live and someone told me, why don't you join the vocal podium? People, they're searching for talent.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sometimes we be on TikTok for leisure time. Honestly, I entered the vocal podium for leisure time. But then I won. And the winner was given 2 songs, the audio and the video. So when they gave me those songs, I sang Gwatika was my first. Then when he heard the song, it's like, this is really a talent. Why can't I sign her? So that's how he signed me. He signed me through talent, not in Chakana.
Oh, yeah. But privileges chizofunanga management eze.
Privilege.
Manager akukolera ki okujjako ku recording enyimba, booking interviews. Ebirala manager akola kyawo.
He makes me look like this. He makes me look beautiful. He pays my rent.
Yeah,
he does a lot of
Just
things.
abamanyiyo.
No.
Yeah, wakusindikira rent ku simu.
Yeah, of course. He actually doesn't know even how my house looks like. He does not know how my house looks like, but he makes sure all my my welfare is okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Hey, that's nice. Ekyo nkireseemu omanyi bano abayimbi probably wamanyi Kateri and Kando bafuna issues ne manager waabwe awo ebintu by'okusula awo ma apartment tuzitaddeko kamera kati kamera muzikwese bikyawe kati nange neebuuziza Essie manager asobola kubanga amanyi gy'asula.
Actually,
tebateekako kamera.
No, most of the artists face that challenge. Nti ba manager baffe abasinga ayagala akuwerekere buli wamu to the extent nti when you're going to the show to call, you must inform him. But good enough, I thank Job Promotions. As long as I inform them that I'm going to do this, they're not so much on me. Please temuchusa Jabo tuli ku TV. Don't change. Stay like that. So they're not really so hard on me. As long as they get my rent comes in time, I pay my rent. They give me the program. You're going to go there. I never miss a program. I think ba manager banotuteka kama teka manjinga na fetwe fudde bakabi.
Can we discuss a little bit of your contract?
That is too personal.
Yeah, sure.
That is confidential. Oyagala manager ngobe.
Njagala kumanya kati awo sente muzikola mutya bwoba okoze gig oba ya million 2 katugeze manager inako chenkana ki ate y'omuyimba ina chenkana ki?
Actually, that is really confidential.
Yeah, sure.
But I am happy
with
the percentage I'm having.
Yeah, exactly. We can discuss percentage. Tuyinza obutaziteeka mu kuzitema nti zino njako emitwalo 2 oba meka.
I really get a good percentage, really.
Yeah, sure.
Because
omuyimba abasinga manager
it depends on the artist, because I am a new talent. One sireta nyo sente. You get it. I've been only 9 months in the industry, so you can't tell me I'm going to bring
the management now investing in you.
Yeah, so it depends on the artist. Bebana baba signinga azawi, it is not going to look the same as my contract. So you understand. So it depends on how the artist earns. That is how the contract goes. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So how many projects do we have apparently? And
apparently we have 6 songs. And we have 3 videos.
That's nice. In 9 months, we have 6 projects.
Yeah.
Which means we give one song every month. We release one song every month.
Actually,
probably.
My management did that because the first time I came in Bar, I was given a show in Chinihiro.
Yeah.
And I really didn't have music, so that was a challenge. So my manager was like, let's have continuous release until we make like 6 songs, then we relax to like it out full music pressure. So if I have a show, if I'm going to sing somewhere, I have projects to put out there. That is the reason as to why we had a lot of music in a few months.
Okay, much mwakolecho kusobola okufuna enyimbe
performance. Yes.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. How many videos?
I have 3. I have 3 songs. Gwatika is a video, Kulokera is a video, that is my new project, and then Tulibito.
Twasoka na luyimba chao.
We began with Gwatika, then we have Mirembe and Gwenonze, those don't have videos. Then we have Tulibito, then we have Wassalam, then we have Kulokera. Omanyi
audience yo, like Joyimbira?
Yeah. I really don't look at an audience of people going to a band, drink and die. I look to the audience of you have a party, you have an introduction, you have a wedding, music of sweet soul and love, not music of pa 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 pa. So that is my target.
So kitegeeza nti bwe tugendeyo mu baare music.
No, it is there. My songs blend in the bar and functions and whatever. But my main focus is on functions, is on parties and whatever. It's not nga tuina kuzina nyonyo. Even in a bar, they play the music naye teri eri ekuba ennyo raga dance hall yeah but I target the youth and middle age and old we should say ndiawo mwenamba twaliramu as long as you love good music you will love my songs
and oluyimba lwasooka lwali lutya? How was the reception for your first song?
My first song, Gwatika, it was actually written by Frank Stories. He's a very known guy.
I was coming there, by the way.
It is written by Frank Stories. Is really much known. I think maybe his last project where ebyokuwandika kati yabivavamu nnyo, but you know Rema's gospel song? Yeah, that guy who wrote that song. He's the one who wrote Gwatika. And I did it with Brian Beats. When I went to Brian and I sang the first chorus, he was like, "What? That is talent." So it was given a good reception. My voice, personally, my voice was given a good reception. People loved it. The producer gave me a huge support. And then when it came out, my manager was like, wow. Everyone was like, wow. Because it is my first project. I went in baby into in the beginning. But my first project was really good. Every television in Kampala welcomed it. TV West played it like no other. I think even here you played it like no other. So you people have supported me, by the way, in Barra, Western region. Thank you so much.
And that's why we're here.
Yeah, that is why we're here. Thank you, Sky TV. Really, you've played my music.
That's so good. Producer chigwokozesa nnyo oba studios chizewakozesa?
I've used a lot of Brian Beats. Yeah, I've used Brian Beats. My latest project is for Nisim, but I think I have like 3 projects with Brian.
Nisim? Then there's this guy. Atin?
No, I haven't used Atin yet. Yeah. I've used Brian, I've used Bigo, Nexo, I've used Jacob, then I've used Nisim.
But then njagala okubuuza naye kati tonamukozesa so tsigenda kubuuza. Atin. Ne Andre, Daddy Andre wabaddewo gundi, Daddy Andre yagamba. Mbu alina producers abamusingira wano. Naye Atin mwabo tali mu byakola. He sounds like a DJ. But njagala bikubuuza naye kati tonamukozesa so.
I just know him as a person, but I don't use him musically.
Naye ku bombi olowooza at least bono bamanyi, at least craft waabwe omumanyi. Olowooza ku bombi ani asinga munne?
Oyagala kukola ki?
Just mbuuzizza.
Okay, to me as a person, Atin is good, but Atin is good. Andre is versatile.
What do you mean?
Like when you're in his studio, he does unique things. Like, I don't know how I should say it, but to me, Atin is good. And by the way, Atin is expensive.
Oh.
Yeah, he's really expensive. He's an expensive guy. Even Andre is expensive, but he's good. Let me not compare them. They're both good.
So you have finally confused me, eh?
I am confusing everyone because I'm also confused on that too.
So kati kuluyimba lwasooka lutambula lutya?
Gwatika, it really moved in Kampala and in the West. Most people know Gwatika, by the way.
Gwatika.
Nongana Gwatika. That was
omukwano,
the first. Yeah, nongana omutima Gwatika.
Omutima Gwatika.
No omutima Gwatika. Wobera kwekoza.
Video kije wakozesa ono guy.
Wachirev.
Wacha ono TikToker.
Yes. That is Tulivito.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. Nsakumura kachimno nga twagala kantuza ku bantu ganira bingi music ya Mulungi tuchumino mu studio zoma bazugirizoba kandi tuzaganira project so far ezayineho nokuziyona zitambula abakwenda kufuna music age. It's already on YouTube. We'll take a quick little bit. My name is Tash the Western darling.
Brian B. Also demo love I know. Namufanya mulungi anasiba mata. Ono wanga sejula kawa wakansaka. Baby pomera nyonga chikajo chagowa. Ono chigamba mukwana chinyweza nga piro.
Atera ebe mukama, don't worry. Yes, I am mama. Surely I go my papa. Do live it do. Et tout ça vous do. Bito. Do live it do. La fait tout ça vous do. Bito. Do live it do. Et tout ça vous do. Bito. Do live it do. La fait tout ça vous do. Tali musukali kaomera. Yansangalo chankuma. Ono mulavu tavomera. Chisota chakari. Senaline panka mutabankwana. Ono yakona kuswichi. Eno navaje kutebumwa. One masaza nebyokola. Sawa sitakwe wala. Olinga masanyana senze wotoli masafuna. Chine chejo chenina yakwe ya chinkola. Do live it do. Etuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. La fe tuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. Etuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. La fe tuza budo. Para papa. Oso de mola fe no. Namufanya mulune anasiwa mata. Ono wanga sejula kawawa kansaka. Eno navaje kutebumwa. One masaza nebyokola. Sawa sitakwe wala. Olinga masanyana senze wotoli masafuna. Chine chejo chenina yakwe ya chinkola. Do live it do. Etuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. La fe tuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. Etuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. La fe tuza budo. Promotion. Do live it do. Etuza budo. Bito. Do live it do. La fe tuza budo. Promotion.
Eshaheji omu program Orwajumba ne kukibwaho
sanyu lya kazero wanywere kazero wangule birabo
hamwe na
Omwanya Mulungi oguri kumwamwatikana ogubayita New Par Hotel oguri kushangwa ha Crystal Road Kabaterine
Sky TV irakari abantu
Eshaheji yaba ne kukibwaho
sanyu lya kazero wanywere kazero wangule birabo
hamwe na
Omwanya Mulungi oguri kumwamwatikana ogubayita New Par Hotel oguri kushangwa ha Crystal Road Kabaterine
Sky TV irakari abantu
Mbarara yagaruka ya leta Omwanya Mulungi oguri kumwamwatikana ogubayita New Par Hotel oguri kushangwa ha Crystal Road Kabaterine opposite na Comfort Inn ahabira hari Uncle Speed Gardens bino buhereza burungi obwa self contained rooms Omwanya Mulungi go kutamenchiko gardens nungi yetereze mu nebishene bine parking nungi security riguruguru bine restaurant yo mulembe aho uri kurya cyo uri kwenda cyona oyuce ngo bino gundo Omwanya ogwa Paru City Guest House hanu warugakiza imbe cha Portville kandi no gundo kurushangwa mu kijungu ogwa Paru Guest House mwena mwijanyu Paru Hotel ahabwo buhereza burungi nakabeyi karinganire
Sky TV yakuletera ekisya omuli burenge rw'izoba oyine emikoro ya bulikika enkiiko zoona emikoro y'amashomero corporate companies hamwe n'ezindi nyamwingi nitukumanyisa ngu nitubasa kukwatira omukoro gwawe butunu aha Sky TV aha kasente kakye munonga kandi nitubasa kushanga buruhori iwe kyoyine kukora tuhikire aha ofisi zitu aha Makrista Road hihi na Kabaterine Primary School omu Rurembo Mbarara ninga tuterere simwezi Note mushanju 89
Yagurra Zuku TV decoder na satellite dish erizoba aha kabeyi kache emitwaro 89 zonka kandi Zuku decoder aha mitwaro 8 zonka rero shemererwe obwo kwerebera channels nungi nka series ezabana music amahure agaloko hamwe na gaheru yihanga nezindi nyingi yerebere Zuku smart aha mitwaro 12 zonka Zuku smart plus aha mitwaro 16 Zuku classic aha mitwaro 25 Zuku Premium amtware shatukakaga na 5 yagite aha Zuku erizoba buzima oshemererwe.
Sky TV irakari abantu. Sky TV irakari abantu.
Eshaheji omu program Orwajumba nekukibwaho
Sauda drink kenenula omubiri
hamwe na
omwanya Mulungi oguri kumwamwatikana ogubayita New Pearl Hotel oguri kushangwa ha Makrista Road Kabaterine.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Mbarara yagaruka ya leta omwanya Mulungi oguri kumwamwatikana ogubayita New Pearl Hotel oguri kushangwa ha Makrista Road Kabaterine opposite na Comfort Inn ahabira hari Uncle Speed Gardens bino buhereza burungi obwa self contained rooms omwanya Mulungi go kutamenchiko gardens nungi yetereze mu nebishene bine parking nungi security riguruguru bine restaurant yo mulembe aho uri kurya cyo uri kwenda cyona oyuce ngo binogundo mwanya ogwa Paru City Guest House hano warugakiza imbe cha Potiville kandi nogundo kurushangwa mu kijungu ogwa Paru Guest House mwena mwijanyu Paru Hotel ahabwo buhereza burungi nakabeyi karinganire.
Sky TV yakuletera ekisya omuli burenge rw'izoba oyine emikoro ya bulikika enkiiko zoona emikoro y'amashomero corporate companies hamwe n'ezindi nyamwingi nitukumanyisa ngu nitubasa kukwatira omukoro gwawe butunu aha Sky TV aha kasente kakye munonga kandi nitubasa kushanga buruhori iwe kyoyine kukora tuhikire aha ofisi zitu aha Makrista Road hihi na Kabaterine Primary School omu Rurembo Mbarara ninga tuterere simwezi Note mushanju 89
Naye muzeyi
kenenula omubiri obeere mu mbeera ennungi nga weenywera Sauda aloe vera drink akoleddwa mu birungo okuva Saudi Arabia omuli black seed n'ekigaji. Tuyina Sauda pineapple drink akolebwa mu nnanasi ezaffe eza wano. Tuyina ne Utamo Miracle Sauda drink okumanya ebisinga okubira Dr. Tayewa. Sauda drink kenenula omubiri.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
edakika nsezo ezaba 12 zonka eshayi 12 z'omubaziyo eshayi kabira ba program y'Orwajumba 12 kuzacha imwe ne yaba Sauda Healthy Products abakora aloe vera drink pineapple drink hamwe na utamira ko Sauda iyo kunywa birungi ndonga biri mu supermarkets zone muyanga n'amatonjo gibi kunywa birondeho abikoise omubaziyo nko Can You Power Hotel tukitambura nayo mpaka chayimwe nayo debera cyangwa tunga oburaro burungi mnonga ebyo kurya n'ebyo kunywa umwanya gwine parking nungi mnonga gardens zo mtindo akana conference hall au kwasa kora meetings za zona ezaburchika chona the new Power Hotel after Sky Television and so you come through eshayi ndo twigwire bansamba nagwechero ija itwe ntwantwereza aho kutunga vali for money shatuzo ngumuri kuri zombo zetu chine S Mulungi Omweshongozi wamanonga omwabaziyogu Sky Television twatuyo ntugamba a project so far ezaine aine ebishongoro mukaga videos ishatu kandi ndakureba videos ezi videos zoina anias buliemu wajikorera wazona wazikoresa zo muntu.
Yeah, so far all my projects are done by Firehouse. One person, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Firehouse. The director is Patrick Miles. Yeah. So far all.
So where is your management best?
Here
where
in
is your
Balara.
manager? Are you being real?
I'm under Jab Promotions and it is in Mbarara. It is best in Mbarara.
How is it even possible?
Yeah, it is possible. My management is based in Mbarara, but I think in Kampala. I stay in Kampala.
Then how do you connect?
Talent connects us. Maybe talent and luck. Yeah, because someone driving his fuel to Kampala to come and sort things in Kampala. Then me sometimes I come in Mbarara. So we all like this, but it's best here in Mbarara.
Oh. Mbarara tuina mwa abantu abamanyi ku managing talents.
You people and
you know abayimbi sima yo bo bamanyi.
I know some.
Sima yo bamanyi abayimbi tuina wano. For managing talent chagana completely tuina.
But then you can't because you people are organized. In my music journey or in my talent journey, the people I've seen who are organized are Western region.
Why would you even say that?
Not because I am on TV here from the Western region, but you people are organized.
Ani yakulimba?
Abamukali.
Wanabira kwani? Wani to organize musically, entertainment industry.
Leave alone musically, like ebyokuimba tubireke kale.
Tubireke.
But
tugende mu art industry yonna.
The art industry.
Yeah, sure.
When you want to do something, you do it. Temukola bino. You're focused. But go in our central region. Ayagala kuyita wano na yasokeri. Kati watu.
Ate babe fe tumanyi muri organized to sing.
They think we think we are
at least for you muina like ekintu kyamwe abata iteni in fact omuntu atandika okuyimba ne bamwogerera
the thing is in central twagala kagwirawo you people you're still but sure in central it is done today. I want to eat today.
Kati ekyo bakiyita bati
bugezi
bugezi buli bagezi nnyo
ne katonda yatufa
nange ekyo nkimanyi muri bagezi nnyo.
Yeah, but that gives you credit to the Western people that you're organized. You want to, if you're beginning your journey today and you want to eat 5 years, you work for the 5 years. But for Central, they want something for 5 years, they start eating today. Basigawe baria.
Nesigo basia.
Agenda kujukira
seed.
Agenda kujukira. Nga even he has eaten the seeds dagamba okawedem.
That's so crazy. Kati wana mu Western Uganda bayimbi chibomanyi.
Rage.
Yeka. Tola.
No. There's this one who sang.
Use your mic. Yeah.
This lady, she's called. Now we remind me.
No, I don't want.
You have a lady. You have a lady called.
Sister Charity.
Liver. That one sings gospel.
Posha.
No.
Jojo Bana.
Actually, I had to sing with her on some show in Isinjiro. She's called.
Jojo Bana. Jackie Kazile.
No, I don't know all of those ones.
Yes. Omega.
Yes, Omega. I know Omega and Reggie.
Sure. Omega and Reggie. Wali omulala gwe tulina musajja bamuyita tipo. Tipo.
Any of his songs?
He sang with who is this guy from Songs Avenue? Chitaka.
I think I should. Yeah, he is the only guy in Swangs.
Hey,
Chitaka is the only guy in Swangs. For now, yes.
Okay. Kati ndowooza Western music ogiraba eri Crazy ne Omega.
Yeah.
Ye face ya music.
So far that's the face of Western
music. Do you know what that means?
No.
Ekitegeeza nti abamanaging talent wano tetubayina.
Mubalina. You have them, but I think people in the Western region, they have been basing on a lot of commercial things than talent. Now they are discovering that mulimu talent in the West. They thought kulunda nti
kyokka. Tena abalala tebazirunda by the way.
But I think they based into farming a lot and stuff like that, forgetting talent. But thanks to everyone who came up and supported.
But according to the music we're doing right now, orabamu uniqueness.
Yeah, actually yes. And one time I was talking with my manager, I need a collab with either Reggie or Omega, because you people, there's that uniqueness. It is very hard for someone to sing Lunyankole and English at the same time. It is very hard for someone to sing Luganda and English at the same time. Or just sanganga yogedde ekigambo nga kiringa embogo. But someone singing something fluent in English and Lunyankole, that's talent.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So you people have talent.
Yeah. You people are doing that, and it is really talent.
Oh, that's nice. Kati manager wo ali wano.
Yeah.
Ali mu Western Uganda.
Yeah.
Kiki nnyo kyatayagala okole nga gwe Essie?
He loves straight things. You have to be straight. Tayagala bineno. With a
central people. Boyfriend aba ayagala omulage.
Hey, your boyfriend right? What bimukwata guys?
Does he know about your boyfriend anyways?
Pardon?
Does he know about your boyfriend?
That is my personal life, unless I want to tell him about it. What I love about my management, they don't go deep in you, like they go where the contract says. They don't go above the boundaries. Yeah.
Are you dating?
You
say it now or you leave it?
No. First and foremost, I'm above 18.
Yeah, sure.
And I think I'm beautiful.
Yeah.
So
so much beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
So if I say I'm not dating, I'll be like, yeah.
How many boyfriends do you have?
How many are mandatory?
So Essie, what are your plans for this year?
This year my plans of this year. So far I have one project for this year, and yearly I want to do 4 songs maximum.
4 songs this year?
Yearly, those are the songs I want to do. So it makes 2024. I want to do 4 songs, and I've done one already. And we're doing video these days. We no longer do audio and then video. So we do audio, we do video. The song is released with a video. So my plans this year is making 4 projects. So far I have 1, and my plans this year is to be not the Essie I was in 2023.
Yeah, sure. So we are going to get more videos.
More music. I plan to have a collaboration, I think, with West and Central.
Yeah, you want to balance the equation there. Yeah, that's nice. So basically here you want to collaborate with Reggie or Omega. Then in the Central?
In the Central, we're probably going to do with Rutalo or Chris Evans.
Oh.
Yeah. One of the 2, but the management will choose one.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Wabatuukiridde bano abantu oba it is still the thought?
Pardon?
wabatuukirira?
The ones I want to do collabos with.
Or you still think about it?
No, actually, we have contracts with them. Yeah, because when you go talk to someone, they give you like a period of time, and this time I can make a collabo. Tayagala kwe luyimba, then after 1 month akutekeko luyimba. Kitegeeza luli abaluse. So definitely you have make a program with this person. Yeah. So my management has that in details.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Before we wind up, what do you love about yourself?
I'm a lovely person at heart, from within. When I love someone, I really do.
Njagala chino cheturaba.
Chino. Even if I'm an entire lovely person.
Okay. Your body parts. Which part do you love most?
My teeth.
Oh.
Yeah. I love my teeth because they make me have a good smile, I think.
Yeah. Makes you look good.
I love my teeth, really.
You're sure?
Yes, I love my feet. Nino bugero obulungi, by the way. Jakuwa buli mungata.
Tugenda banga tuvuddewa. Katumalize Essie. Your last words, your last shot.
My last shot. One, thank you so much, Mbara people, the Western region. You've really been supportive. I have really, I'm really appreciating. From day one, you've supported me more than the Central region.
That's nice.
I'm appreciating my management, Jab Promotions, Best in Imbalara, and anyone who wants to know more about my management, you go to my socials, all the socials of Jab Promotions. Essie Mulungi everywhere. My music, Essie Mulungi, social medias, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. My music is on Spotify. And anyone, if you want to reach my management, is 0782 051 001. That is Jab Promotions. Anyone who wants to contact, more so when you're in Barara. Baba bango kutukirira.
Yeah, sure.
You don't have to kuvuga mafuta maji. Jab Promotions 0782 051 001. Jab Promotions.
Awesome.
Yeah, my project, Nkulokera, it is the latest. I think I released it 2 weeks ago.
Nkulokera.
Yeah. Nkulokera.
Nkulokera kitegeeza ki?
I'm yearning for you.
Huh?
Now I'm yearning for you.
Basing on a true story?
Now I'm yearning for you. Now I'm changing the story from the song. Now I'm yearning for this one next to me.
Oh my goodness. Osoro tu ya kapera?
Akankuloke.
Nkulokera.
Awo sinaluto kulaba omwana njagala bwati. Ebirungi kala bimpana ebisuka ku mboozi. Omubiri kituufu naye era nga shuwa. Nali njoyayoya naye kati natuuka ku dipo. Hey, yeah, only hangover. Onsibye akanoya, ontadde ku mwanjo wegazanye mu kkubo. Nkulokera.
My goodness.
Mukwano nkulokera.
I love the voice. Mwabayimbi olumu muba muyimba ku your life, your true story.
Yeah.
Ebintu bye muyitamu. Runo oluyimba wali oluyimba ng'osinziira ku kyawo.
Sometimes we sing the true stories when you've written your own song. Now I didn't write the song, so it wasn't a true story. The person is called Raj Tyrite, the one who wrote Tulibito, is the one who wrote Nkulokera.
Nkulokera. Kati oli ebeera idea yoli.
Yeah, ebeera idea yoli nakuwa demos. Like he gives you a lot of songs, then you pick.
Asooka nayimbamu?
Yeah, they give you already ngaya yimbyemu because you can't buy words. How are they going to be fixed?
Mbadde sikimanyi. Asooka nagenda ekitegeeza nti omuwandiisi w'ennyimba aba muyimbi.
Definitely you can't be a writer when you're not an artist. You have to give me a demo one. It has a melody. Togenda kujja ng'oyimbye kyayi wenjaye nga takwatagana. Then I'll buy the song. Of course, the song must have a melody. It must have sweet, nice words. Nga biri well organized for me to be like, this is a nice song. So he gave me a lot of projects. And then we sat with my management. We listened to the projects and be like, okay, let's buy this.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's nice. Uruyimba Mulungi by the way tunonye ku YouTube.
Yeah, mulunonye ku YouTube. Essie Mulungi is my YouTube channel. It's called Nkulo. The song is called Nkulo Kera. It is on Spotify, all platforms where music is. Essie Mulungi is there.
Oh.
And I'm using Essie Mulungi everywhere.
Essie Mulungi, thanks for making it here.
You're welcome. Thank you for I'm really humbled. Sky TV. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Lero yidinaira mumpadde ekifusidira yawe Kampala.
Ebyaddala.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. And then yari Essie Mulungi no wasanga mutunga kurungi binonga ha YouTube music area nebyeshongoro abirungi binonga ebyokwasa kuchamingaho every day waheza kwimukoti kurungi binonga londaho Essie Mulungi mwenye tata shuji binayakadala.
Oh, awesome. I love Western people. Thank you for the love.
Awesomeness. Ndatashi UG program tukumiza mpaka rashaye mwe azo mwabasyo atoza kumura kwa chimnonga tuchiri humutagara Sky Television.
Job promotion. Matenda kwagala nayo kugwanze ngusute machuwa. Sisukali topi mwana yogo gwanze ngusanze mukiro. Onyagata nerenja sikulimba kalaina nziro. Konfunye nga nchali kato kati yengere kubo. Hey, only hangover. Onsibya kanoya. Ontade kumanjo ogazanye mukubo. Nkulokera, mukwano nkulokera. Kunyamande wano nkulokera. Sikulimba nkulokera. Nyango wachano nkulokera. Mukwano nkulokera. Amoneno nkulokera. Sikulimba nkulokera. Seutomana ono chatankole. Ambisanga mbeja. Omwana nawa senaludde kulaba omwana njagala bwati ebirungi kala bimpana ebisukka ku mboozi omubiri kituufu naye nagashuwa nali ndoyayoya naye kati natuuka ku dipo only hangover onsibya kanoya ontadde ku mwanjo ogazanye mukubo nkulokera mukwano nkulokera kunyumande wano nkulokera sikulimba nkulokera nyango wachano nkulokera mukwano nkulokera amondeno nkulokera sikulimba nkulokera kati oliwa zenkulinze obulumi nina oliwa okakanyeno nawa senaludde okulaba omwana njagala bwati ebirungi kala bimpana ebisukka ku mboozi only hangover onsibya kanoya ontadde ku mwanjo wegazanye mukubo nkulokera mukwano nkulokera kunyumande wano nkulokera sikulimba nkulokera nyango wachano nkulokera mukwano nkulokera amoneno nkulokera sikulimba nkulokera. Paloma.
Everyone smash ya. Can't come over. Be there on the door, let me knock knock. Can't come over. Be there on the door, let me knock knock. The way you whine your body, whine your body, whine your body. Yeah, go kill somebody, kill somebody, kill somebody. Yeah, yeah. Ngane ama inbox yao. Yeah, yeah. Kundini wewe nyukanyi kubire pante. Oh yeah, yeah. Niwe uliko singanzire ukalwako baby. Niwe uliko sun goes away. I wanna party every day. Baby, don't run away. I wanna love you every day till the sun goes away. I wanna party every day. Baby, don't run away. Yeah.
Bikanyi bunengoto era ukanyi koliwe bojo. Balambo watu welubula mubata kurumbano mwabyondo.
Injenga kwanza inga chinano mwenda ya mama. Wakalangiringa yendana wa mwinjenga ipanga. Oh yeah yeah. Ahu wanganya ngindi vya chitutu chawe.
Niwe uliko singanzire ukalako baby. Niwe uliko I wanna love every day till the sun goes away. I wanna party every day. Baby, don't run away.
I wanna love you every day till the sun goes away. I wanna party every day. Baby, don't run away. Yeah. Girl, come over. Be there on the door, let me knock. Girl, come over. Be there on the door, let me knock. Yeah.
Omutima wayino wawuyi wite mitingi munawire. Namesu wayina wawu akanzerisa malira nako.
Jagale, jagale, jagale. Wind your body, body, jagale. Jagale, jagale, jagale. Wind your body, body, jagale.
I wanna love every day till the sun goes away. I wanna party every day. Baby, don't run away.
I wanna love you every day till the sun goes away. I wanna party every day. Baby, don't run away. Yeah. Clean vibes.
Yeah, yeah. Muzo, DJ Chris, Jason and this. Yeah.
Like a shining star. Ooh, like a morning sun. Ooh, baby, tabasamura nipate, nipende nipende, naomba baby usinitupe. Most right performer, IT Americana. Most right performer, girl you a shine. Majani muchai sukali muchisi, you my future wife. Do wanna adore my sogo, girl you a shine like a shining star. Like a morning sun. Ooh, ulimuya baby way. Ooh, ulimuya baby way. Unapendeza. Unapendeza. Unapendeza.
Madame, girl ya kill me. Haters are feeling the agony. You're the young leader for me. And now you're DJ, my ask you love the turntable. The two go what do the music on cable. Rebo, DJ Chris Lava Levo. What you go was in the Savama Kendo.
Like a shining star. Ooh, like a morning sun.
Unogo kubyempulira munda mulincha mukanda DJ Chris osipininga obongo bwango bumixinga. I'm gonna love you now so. I'm gonna love you now so.
shining star. Ooh, like a morning sun. Ooh, we move your baby way. Ooh, we move your baby way. Ooh,
Mountain boy. Yes, boss.
Ejirukunde gawaruhanga no kuba ni bambamba Tindikunda ndijo no mtima gwanje like you Niwe shukamizi pati mwana mtima mori Maria Mangadarena Your beauty is a kiss Mangadarena Ni want my kiss
Maria Magdalena, your beauty is a kiss. But to me, Magdalena, niwe uko my kiss. Katete kukunja satu hulu kitu na ubulo. Inga nina unga yisingi na lihachiri ubuhoro. So, uliya wote beautiful. Inonga kwanzire viri, peaceful. Omubu yawe nyakashaba asanga kutambukira ya mwaru wenzuru Sure, batami Maria ukangu nzenyo tanga mayeta uomwirea Sheri, batami Maria ukangu nzenyo tanga mayeta uomwirea Tell me baby today tulina yumalenge kani ya mabe Baby you know for real tinanga na kukwira forever Baby tell me today Gonna mendiri hayo date. Baby tell me today.
Maria Mangadarena Your beauty is a kiss Mangadarena Ni want my kiss
Maria Magdalena Your beauty is a kiss But to me Magdalena Niwe uko my kiss
Agoni Maria Magdalena I read the rum team up there now and then. If not you, this love is a game. Yeah, but this love is a dream. So I believe in you, my girl. Yeah. You my love. Tari andijo ni kwa chiri kanyana. Tindikunda ndijo no mtima gwanje like you. Niwe shukamizi pati mwana mtima mwana Maria Mangadarena Your beauty is a kiss Mangadarena Ni want my kiss
Maria Magdalena Your beauty is a kiss But to me Magdalena Niwe uko my kiss Sure, but to me Maria ukangu nzenyo tanga mayeta uomwirea Batami Maria, ukangu nzenyo tanga mayeta uomwirea
Showtime Ngakusaraga burondo Mutima wekwatana bongo Batandi bampa murondo Bati gukukwataga mugongo Mawe Bana bakwe biuraga Mibeleka batukura Bakeba na mulito mbaba Design bakwe uraga Tatulina mikira ya mbeba Natunni tukuba dongomya Tatulina mikira ya mbeba Natunni tukuba dongomya Mawe Ase bundi buyo yona Kuba na mukimanye Ase bundi buyo yona Kuba na mukimanye She wants to bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down Bend down then and pause. She wants to dig down, dig down, dig down, dig down, dig down then and pause. Akubaraka one timer. She want to give me a real timer. Akubaraka short timer. She want to be happy all timer. Holy bande, bagi kunde, manabe kamugi kunde. Nawe di jogi bande. Asebundi uyoyona. Kubana mukimanye. Asebundi uyoyona. Kubana mukimanye. Kakusaraga burondo. Mutima gwe kwatana bwongo. Batandi bampa murondo. Bati gukukwataga mugongo. Mawe bana bakwe biuraga. Mebeleka batukura. Bake bana muri tombaba. Design bakwe uraga. Ogibande, bagi kunde. Asebundi uyoyona. Kubana mukimanye. Ogibande, asebundi uyoyona. Kubana mukimanye.
How do you call God in your language? Musabaki kutunelage. So we take a solo salito mana language. Suba mama ni stand with your courage. Moli chetu usike. Usikiro koyo musa. Abandi bakingira sende. Betwe wiwe ni abusa kundi. Akakanaya, akalamaya, akabohola si uluheri musaba. Akakanaya,
The R-M-A-N-C-E Aramasom nigga muhawa Mukanire Mukaoba hochi Kwabitaba witeko Mukaoba hochi Singa baleyene Mukaoba hochi Mukaoba hochi Mwakanire Mukaoba hochi Kwabitaba witeko Mukaoba hochi Singa baleyene Mukaoba hochi Mukaoba hochi Nemumwangabuga benga hemuka yiteba Singa balegene kandi nje sinangakeba Nisinga hisikale kiwa kanyebe suba Ukweyireterere kunoba Ambunga wabya hekerere imba na yelu no Nacho chabere kiba komuba Ukolya kuchirikanyo kuba kalaba Inywe mwatebiri nje nabiri oloba Ujesi ayengasibane nabere nuba Echekuru nisyo kwenene singa diba Utengali murufu kuwa yisende naba Wewa ukamonga sanga na yesyo mbeba Uwabya kakanyo kuba ya disiba somire Abewe munga sangiba ni munywe Mukawoba kochi nibyana yisinga lirya kochi Umarugambo wabiri bya hiro No mushafiti na wabiri bya jeniro Okukalo nuwa shabali benkwa choho Nuwa shabalo hibo kukalo Nuwa sheshamba shokukalo Abatasomire hokukalo Abatikolera hokukalo Abayayabo kukalo Mwakanire Mukaoba hochi Kwabitaba witeko Mukaoba hochi Singa baleyene Mukaoba hochi Mukaoba hochi Mwakanire Mukaoba hochi Kwabitaba witeko Mukaoba hochi Singa baleyene Mukaoba hochi Mukaoba hochi Nkande mukesyo mwanjingu ya yina Lucia Mune mutinywe mukanzi mwangu soma kisia Mukayiteba banu bojo si mwangalisya Muleke tuyichanyo kutekwe tulemesya Hamushuwa luno limbo lwa bibahisya Kandi bakeni tukanya ko butakesya Hamwe binywebi tukimba bike tukusya Harumasa mnega masex Elibu wabinene sibisengya Haromasi I can't tell them Beto rusunguru kanderebete I can't tell them Better English rukande revete Wakambale mini bakamungu wako Sitwa singa twende Wamambale dameji Bakakubu wako Nububa sikadamu wakayipanga Nububa shumimbyo wakayiheka Nububa siproduso wakayipanga Omulembe utuliko Wamafu bambule mushakuru Wamambale jini ambule muyaya Echiuwo chikatuuba Tukaburanga tukarora Chabiri tuotolya malembe Chikatutwala mahengeneke Mwakanire Mukaoba hochi Kwabitaba witeko Mukaoba hochi Singa baleyene Mukaoba hochi Mukaoba hochi Mwakanire Mukaoba hochi Kwabitaba witeko Mukaoba hochi Singa baleyene Mukaoba hochi Mukaoba hochi Utengali murufu kuwa jisende naba Wewa ukamunga sanga na yesyo mbeba Uwabya kakanyo kuwa ya disiba somire Abewe munga sangiba ni munywe Trava
Je m'appelle Maliki Eli Chokomieka mwana wekani na maoto Simu sangu na marise Simu sangu na matame Simu sangu na baka otolero madiro Na marisega Simu sangu na maotora Simu sangu na matamira Simu sangu na baka otolero madiro Life is short You got to enjoy it Life is short We got to enjoy it Marina ganila Sometimes igalinga physical Okunwa kunila Sometimes ukulega gatwa bulu Ebijibu tulega bijibu To refreshing our mind To refreshing our mind Okabine kani okamani Okabine kani okamani Okabine kani lokamani 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 Nama oto Simu sangu nama bise nabakao tolero madiro namabisega sangu namaotora sangu namatamira sangu nabakao tolero madiro pina wene wo osonsalo tulemo kuzina gabamo tulo esoni nabini yegeni nalo machupa monko watin ko ba halo singi basi ninga big boss isoni wakabimo kini jikosi tiko baga siye na dosi kuhula gagani mabosi ololo ni mwana ni losi shije bere full Maria losi okikole ogamine owalo dugamine okikole ogamine owalo dugamine tukikole
ekiwaliye kyawe wakakulya gasente syawo kuba waliye mwana gwawe
oti okikole oti okakole obunozi bunilo bunozi bojo bunoju obunozi namaoto simusangu namabise simusangu namatame simusangu nabakao tolero madiro namabiseka simusangu namaotora simusangu namatamira simusangu nabakao tolero masangu namaoto simusangu namabise simusangu namatame simusangu nabakao tolero madiro namabiseka simusangu namaotora simusangu namatamira simusangu nabakao tolero madiro
Octopus Obindi Umati Tampel Mwanamboka Indoyo Deisi Toko Binda Mozeki Maboko Nikolo
Pretty makia yabagamba jabra ukampindura kandi omushugugu igirukundo yawe kanetemya nenju ninyebaza Mungu kanhemwa na kuku nabuka musefuri yatena kwa mujoyi kamimire rikembe gendi kuola nzila huya nengombe akakondi kawairo mosombe abana bamanzana wa murembe tompimira katonda baba yakungerera labe kikonje kyakule binyumira buti ati nekiraro kyejo me really wanna be your mister me wanna take you for a game in Manchester when you feel down get high like a rasta speak like a poster this game you the master anyway leaving you chikafuwe fu ya firimbi yo bonjagala ngofuwa walola byeyo mushija alinganze omusajja alinganze kyakulya kiwooma kusinganze I like one thing, there's magic on your body. Magic on your body. I like one thing, there's magic on your body. Magic on your body. Songe wabula tochikola okerewa demwera gumu songe kusaba tolekera okerewa emisha kwanza no mu buyingo busubukiro ko bunu niwe cyana cyukwezi bwanunyakira yengununu wenja kawubera oligwa wendi gwa chechera katonda yakumpa ngampera be skubedo we go do how we do light oya kawembera oligwa wendi gwe jowala katonda yakumpa ngomuisa they go do how we do okay I like one thing there's magic on your body magic on your body okay I like one thing there's magic on your body magic on your body songe chikola okerewa demwera gumu songe kusaba tolekera okerewa
kapitine kwe anti nanti babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakabibimbira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakatuhumira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakabibimbira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakatuhumira dama mwende iyo kwa cheyo amasobolati nayo ni doni kwiyo musaho muliyoni abojo bamalyawo muliyoni nakamba susabi yakole buwanda mama unzayo buwiki bubiri bonati sacho sinalokonza akaka nayo luwanda olokwanza ati kakati oraba ndi mwana wa setre kakati oraba njagala ngoko kakati oraba njagala mutwe wa mbene babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakabibimbira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakatuhumira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakabibimbira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakatuhumira abakaula yakamukatuhinda mukabera yanisindirye kochi boma mashari twetukindiryechi Boma masheri twetu kindiryechi Ninywa abakampasa Mutibya biri biti nywa abakampasa Twanabyo kwa chalu itu nemusune chishanga Akandi wai utisi suna chishanga Organa nkubuza malala gachi Ebyo byewe panka bya chito Organa nkubuza malala gachi Terera kwe ote kulebo babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakabibimbira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakatuhumira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakabibimbira sedde babitunga marara nabo we sedde ebinduka bakatuhumira mama ende iyo kwa cheyo amasobolati nayo ni doni kwiyo musaho muliyoni abojo bamalyawo muliyoni Buda, these are the people who don't talk too much ebyamalala bite byabakachere inamekija mbuta mikakisuta everybody can dance pa mitoni Organa nkubuza malala gachi ebyo byewe panka bya chito Organa nkubuza malala gachi terera kwe
Madashi what dakika ntezo makumi ntubura dakika mwenda zonga kwa guitar shaha emwezo mwabazio program yoro Orwajumba Tashiji and probably sponsored by Sauda healthy products Sabakora Sauda liver drink pineapple drink hamona utamu mina ko Sauda ebyo kunyana birunje ebyo mbirondeho kan pa hotel nunjimyo mti ndogwa igrunonga nsya umutawne yambara eri hihi na Sky TV warga Sky TV ansao nurugwashanga bine buri kintu cyona ecyo rukwenda sauna parking uhereza bwa restaurant bar gardens na nebindi binji binonga twine no uhereza bundi obwa Pau City arbajurwa Port Villao wahingura utkache no kama senti kuni zomo mpaka shaimwe Monday to Friday aba program jiro Orwajumba Tashiji the Western darling. You know what? Brian White, he is already in the country. Namaka tulagansa his return konka in tebekansa eyabai tebekanisi last year kumkwa mshanjo I think kana kwa katano probably last year kana za kuija azikororo kunka ino bitaragenzereje. So finally he came back, he is in the country kandi nareba harkoreka ngwesha yona akasenta arachakutanga kasasanya Brian White. Ndikatereba nisori nshakare nizagwa ryo wakana mchetegeza okutukitwaza aha burwakana tuba turi old school. Zabantu tujya twine package ndijo mpango nyinji mnonga natsuga pilau yanja a reception aha ekamarire tugende tugikoreho. Nakozire na Monday atanyi nibanyita shiyuji murare krunji ngumeho.
Kanta music Saizi mukene
Mama la mama
Wamaendi sutamba kajambo Oyo akabini musango Twamasirisi tutakanyai Ololuka byalubanzae Mathematical Olwanzo lwetu lubalire Technological Olwanzo mutu alubanga
Mathematical Olwanzo lwetu lubalire
juisi.
Oh baby nakula na kakati.
Baby ukarete embeho ya manyiluma.
Oh baby nakula kakoti.
Baby unyisuke ngakukwamirira ya singa tukikanya chiuma chisa ngana siku sitwanga umongetse.
We are meant to be together forever. We are meant to be together forever. Oranzo lwetu lusomwerwe lutibirwe kwemisa. Oranzo lwetu lusomwerwe. Oh baby
Mathematical oranzo lwetu lubalire. Technological oranzo mutwalo banga.
Mathematical oranzo lwetu lubalire. Technological oranzo mutwalo banga. Niwe lobola lwayo kochitaka.
Baby oh baby
Wamabula ongalinga tuha.
Sisi baby tukaendero kumusasi muma.
Baby oh baby
Tulibana batata muma. Namakwimbira kimbokola yomongeme. Wawene na chiwati chabojo chawere. Baby oh. Mathematical olanzo lwetu lubalire. Technological olanzo mutwalo banga.
Mathematical olanzo lwetu lubalire. Technological olanzo mutwalo banga.
Uni hakajuisi.
Oh baby nakula na kakati.
Baby ukarete embeho ya manyiluma.
Oh baby nakula kakoti.
Baby unyisuke ida sisi.
Hello baby
Tufe kanta music.
the fit on the bed.
Chance manesente.com 1-2 kukubala bagambo kandoga nayenga pae majima weyongera ndoge 3-4 mubasaba bakubala nobe luhanga tali yangu zobaleke baloge bani bakuhemuka walai bakulaluka nangana chuye mukubala kindi nambaka osofoke wakikatukale nawe mumaka tujane na kulimbi tukole mukago kabambaliye Aisha beto akagenda mutima gwanje nguni vambye kaguhenda akantiga muloko nina banihanda ontole mama wekomeye ndagala muhanda ontole ukama bwa mtima wanje ositamota banafia abamba biti nkubesiga kabaha mutima bagugulia ontole ukama bwa mtima wanje ositamota banafia abamba biti kabaha mutima bagugulia negombaga nkuha mutima gwanje baitu Aisha kyankoliye kikampa bwoba nkamubalana mutima gwanje baitu akaligita nago bamuhamu sente Aisha mutima kagutwala agusimbayo otabolinga Aisha mutima kagukukia mubitiketike kila akambaka tambaliye kwesimu yayi akefola mudoti kwesiale kimene akanjiba mutima ntiga guli wazi nampagisa mutima gwanje shona kasituga oni nabaga wetu linaye nina mulugwane hoga mubabo tusenje ajakandeka ebale muno akanyamba kukotoa kama bwa mtima wanje ositamota banafia abamba biti nkubesiga kaba mutima bagugulia otwale bukama bwa mtima ositamota banafia abamba biti nkaba
babiri tonalangaye tutaluga kamuhuli abetima batusekererese nawe babiri batukope numbi ebo baguwe mu bikopo otaleka kumpage situlani my pocket money wa mukisanga difani otaleka kunyongera gamasi onuliriyo lenga bikakabe madivani bali tubaleke them talking bali babiga mu byawo tobanuliye baswaye bahemukiye otwale bukama bwa mtima wanje ositamota banafia abamba biti nkubesiga kaba mutima bagulia otwale bukama bwa mtima wanje ositamota banafia